He has the resources to do that. He'll probably hire counsel and may nakikita siyang reason to believe that we have a future and that she will be all right. Excuse me. Holy cow, I apologize for that. Andali lang, I have to wipe my hands in alcohol. Alcohol, eh. Sabi ni Parapraxis, sana mag-apply si Zaldico for asylum. Di po ba kailangan niyang sabihin sa Czech Republic authorities kung bakit siya dapat magstay? Maybe notarized statement. Kaya niya yun. He has the resources to do that. He'll probably hire counsel in the Czech Republic to represent him. Sabi ni Jez, mapapalitan kaya ang NAIA magiging ZCA? Sabi ni Roger, pag hindi po nagawa yung investigasyon ng maleta, laking gulo na, syempre, rally kasi naghahamon si BBM ng exercise. Kasi yun ang mga pikon. Sabi ni Tito, bakit kaya ang tagal ng response ng Supreme Court sa petition nila to stop the hearings? Papansinin pa kaya yon? Anong ginawa ng Kamara ay public trial na damaging the reputation of VP Sara. Unfortunately, with regard to the discretion exercised by Congress on matters that are within their mandate under the Constitution, wala talaga magagawa ang hukuman dyan. The court cannot, except to determine if their actions violate VP Inday's rights. Sabi ni Edzology, but Martin Romualdez has limited paper trails. That's true, where his name is on it. If Martin Romualdez led the stroke, Zaldico held the pen. The probability is high that he will play in favor of the admin. Martin, you mean? Not if it is the admin that's trying to drop him. That's why we're on a frog watch. Sabi ni Ashley, sorry for being mega, but we all know this government is desperate. Yes, but for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Look at what happened in 1983. The government decided to silence Ninoy Aquino, who was troublesome, but if they had left him alone, I don't think it would have led to a revolution. But by eliminating him, it forced people, well, not forced, people started to want to take to the streets. So yun po yun. Well, of course, ang naming nagsasabi na there were other factors there. And yes, that is true. There were other factors. But it gave people a reason. So, like I said, they must carefully compute what the backlash is going to be. For us, na nakikita natin that these people don't think things through and most likely might give a knee-jerk reaction thinking that it's going to save them. But unfortunately, like I said, when it comes to moving money, it's going to be difficult to do so without a paper trail, some kind of paper trail. Kaya nga nagkaroon ng deliveries. Now, yung deliveries, wala ng paper trail yon, but we have Marines. So, kumbaga sa and look at the questioning of how quickly your optimism has dissipated. Kasi nung nag-oral argument sa Korte Suprema, a lot of you were feeling very optimistic based on the questioning by Justice Leonen on the respondents. Diba? Na-reveal yung blanks doon sa BICAM, yung mga other things. So, yung kumbaga, dun sa pagkasunod-sunod and a lot of the gaping holes in the narrative of the respondent were revealed by the simple but deceptively simple questioning of Justice Leonen. So nakikita po yung mga yon. So like I said, tama naman kayo. Of course, Saldico will always be in danger. If he is brought back here, he will be. Even abroad, he will be in danger. He knows so much and he already revealed that he knows a lot. Pero tama, if he were half thinking, then this administration also knows that he has something that might uh, end up, disseminating far more information that they are comfortable with, hitting the internet. And sa akin, the uncertainty works for us. Either way, they're going to have to weigh the options. Is it better if he disappears, or is it better if he is abroad, or is it better that he is here and forever silenced? They're going to have to compute the repercussions of either action, any of the actions. Yes, it's true, it is possible. Why not? Of course, anything is possible. But for me, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be a bad thing for us. Sabi ni Ma'am Jackie Lu, on the news, a lot are saying na madami nang aalis sa lakas CMD party ni Martin. Dami nang takot na mag-end ang political career nila ng 2028. Yep. They should also be afraid that they might have cases filed against them. And if the Marcos administration proceeds with, their promise to start filing cases, the exodus will be complete. So, like I said, no matter what, the things are going to be moving. And when you're looking at a problem with a lot of moving parts, nothing will be predictable. Correct. Sabi ni Who is Perfect, dito po ako sa Prague nag-work. Sabi ng boss ko, aware sila sa case ni Zaldi. Sabi daw ng police authorities doon, hindi daw yan gaya kay PRD na basta-basta na lang daw i-extradite. Kanina pa po namin actually sinasabi. But thank you for letting us know. Kasi dalawa na tayong nagsasabi noon with the added heft of your presence there. Naalala ko po, sinabi ng abogado ni Saldico na may kasunod pang video na di pa nilalabas, wag pa sisiguro ang BBM admin. Yep. Actually, this might be a good time for Zaldico to release another video. Sabi ni Queen, basta ako nagsusurvey ako sa sarili kong community and dito sa amin. Majority si VP Inday. Keep sharing vlogs like this sa mga friends nyo. Diyan lang makakatulong na tayo. Love it. Sabi ni Strictly, yun mga unknowns and possible happenings na mangyayari at magfo-fall off from Zaldico's arrest. It's best to practice the maxim, we'll cross the bridge when we get there. Ma-minimize yung anxiety nyo. Yung iba, in fairness, yung iba, hindi anxiety, curiosity talaga. Sabi ni Kaka, kailan po ambagan para mabalik ni Sarah ang 73 million na nalustay niya? Unang una, hindi pa yan napapatunayan sa hukuman. Na, wala. Kakaloka kayo. Ano, mas magaling pa kayo kaysa sa hukuman? Alam ng lahat. So, ewan ko sa inyo kung bakit akala ninyo yung comms effort ninyo na yan ay tumatatak sa amin. Sa totoo lang, tumataas pa yung numbers ni VP Inday, which means that if you keep doing that and her numbers continue to rise, di ba? Hindi sa amin yung problema, nasa inyo. Yun, sabi ni Who is Perfect, the process can be lengthy with potential for legal appeals and asylum claims, making the repatriation process time-consuming. Exactly what we said earlier. Sabi ni Parapraxis, recent events show na maganda ang timing ng rage announcement. I think